Hello Peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachy. There are numerous reasons to adore the holiday season, and for us, Christmas makeup takes a top spot. Well, maybe just after the excitement of opening presents. While we're gradually returning to social gatherings, any upcoming occasion is the perfect reason to reach for those makeup brushes and finally explore that eyeshadow palette you've been eagerly wanting to try. Today, we're diving into the festive spirit with a perfectly delightful winter cat eye makeup tutorial. Get ready to unleash your inner feline charm as we create a glamorous and seasonally inspired look together. To guide you through achieving this stunning look, we're sharing a tutorial from a rising star in the makeup realm, Bao Bao, a beloved influencer on the Chinese app Xiao Hong Shu. Her looks predominantly features elegant makeup styles with a touch of drama. If you're a fan of sophisticated yet striking looks, she's definitely someone you'll want to explore. Let's get right into the look. To begin her look, Bao starts by wearing colored lenses. Her go-to recommendation involves opting for brown lenses with a natural ring to enhance the eyes. Prior to applying foundation, Bao color corrects her dark circles. Use a salmon tone concealer specifically designed to neutralize the dark pigmentation under the eyes. Gently patting the concealer in place, she advises allowing it to sit for a short while before continuing with the makeup routine. When it comes to foundation, Bao suggests selecting one that matches your skin type. For blush, she reaches for a blush stick by the Chinese brand Niu in the shade 2, a cool tone pink hue. Applying it strategically on the center of the cheeks, nose bridge, eyelids, and chin, Bao uses a puff sponge to delicately tap and blend the blush. She advises against pulling on the skin and recommends patting it gently for a natural, flushed appearance that seems to naturally radiate from within the skin. Continuing her technique, Bao applies an additional layer of blush using the Niu blush stick in shade number 7, a shade designed to expand and enhance the previous application. This step not only adds dimension and plumpness to the center of the face but also contributes to an overall improved complexion, providing a nuanced depth to the blush. Bao moves on to set the look with loose powder. Concentrating on areas around the eyes and brows, and gently applying the powder to ensure a long-lasting and flawless finish. Bao begins her eye makeup by combining a grayish-pink shade with a warm brown hue, creating a base color for her upper eyelid. She starts by placing her brush at the outer end of her eyelid, blending the color from the outer corner towards the inner corner. Gradually, she extends the shade towards the outer corner, blending it upwards into the crease. Using the remaining product on the brush, she gently brings the shadow down to the lower lid for a cohesive look. Changing to a fresh brush, Bao focuses on blending out the edges of the eyeshadow for a seamless finish. Using a flat, detailed brush, she selects a reddish-brown shade and lines it along the outer corner of the lower lash line. Then, she traces the same shade along the inner corner, connecting it seamlessly with the previously applied liner. The upper liner is filled by using a black gel liner, starting from the inner corner and smoothly gliding along the upper lash line to create a winged liner effect. To enhance the look, she then incorporates a touch of the reddish-brown shade, applying it slightly to the triangle area of the winged liner and connecting this shadow to the under-eye area for added definition. Using the same reddish-brown shade, Bao extends the shadow from the tip of her winged liner towards the crease fold, blending it seamlessly along the crease to achieve a cat eye effect. Following this, she proceeds to apply individual falsies, selecting a mix of two lash types, the crown-shaped lashes and the fishtail lashes, combining them for a unique and mesmerizing eye look. The lower lashes are also enhanced with individual falsies. Bao continues to accentuate the lower inner corner lash line using the same reddish-brown shade as before. She emphasizes that it mimics the natural lash line when applying lower falsies. Leaving this area empty can create an incomplete look, so filling in with the liner ensures a seamless blend with the lower false lashes for a more natural and cohesive appearance. Once the eye makeup is complete, Bao applies a matte highlighter under the eyes and on the forehead to enhance the forward projection of the facial structure. She gently pats it into the skin and sets it with loose powder, using a light touch to ensure the base makeup remains set without looking overly powdery. For a more intense appearance, Bao recommends layering the blush once more, especially since it might appear less vibrant after setting the base. To elevate the eye makeup, she suggests adding a touch of sparkle. Bao opts for a silver sparkly shade, applying it to the middle of her lids to add that mesmerizing glimmer. Using a detail brush, she applies this sparkle along the front region of her under eye area for an extra pop of shimmer and depth. Bao shapes her brows using a lighter brown brow powder, sculpting them to achieve her desired look. To further lighten and define her brows, she applies a tinted brow gel in a brown shade. She lightly contours along her nose bridge, enhancing definition. Next, she applies matte highlighter to the nose bridge and inner cheeks, accentuating these areas for a radiant finish. To create a pouty lip look, she contours the base of the philtrum. For the eyes, she emphasizes the use of a cool tone matte highlighter, as it provides clearer and stronger definition to the eyes. She applies it to the inner corner to enhance the eye structure. Additionally, she uses this same highlighter for the tear groove. Bao opts to neutralize the natural lip color by applying concealer as a base, toning down the lip's natural hue. After considering various lip shades, she settles on a muted rose shade from Hintor to complement and finalize the overall look. And with that, the look is completed. This completed makeup look is wonderfully beginner-friendly, ideal for beginners transitioning to more intricate styles. While it presents a few challenges, they're certainly conquerable, not insurmountable. The overall tone exudes energy, lending a vibrant complexion to the entire appearance. What's your take on this? We believe this look is perfect for the season. It's giving all that riz. Before we end our video, we would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for your support this year. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.